No! So what's going on YouTube? So today might be my last outing of 2022, as I went fishing last week, but I was more looking for areas to look at for a tournament next year. But I think today I might just be crappie fishing, see if I can end up with a good decent bag today. Probably hoping to catch 10, see what we can do today. It's probably my last video for 2022, and hopefully next year I'll have some good contacts. Until next time, see ya later. I think these might be the easier one to get. Our bass, little small bass. No skunk. Hi. Found a school of bass. Oh heck yeah. This is fun. Another one. So that's how they look like. Got him. Oh, oh, slab. Oh, yeah. Slab. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look how big this sucker is. Look at that. Oh. Look at that slab. Jesus. Well, guys, that's the end of 2022 for me. Hopefully 2023 will be a lot better year. Expectation is to do the Queen City tournament. I'm also going to do a team event with my brother-in-law. We're going to see how we can place and how we can perform. I'm going to try to put myself in a tougher situation next year, and hopefully we can get on them. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Till next time, see you guys next year. See ya later.